Hello, why are you so late tonight? Hello, why are you so late tonight?
Hello, the bus stopped suddenly. Hello, the bus stopped suddenly.
What happened to the bus? What happened to the bus?
The engine has a problem. The engine has a problem.
Are you safe there? Are you safe there?
Yes, I am safe now. Yes, I am safe now.
Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside?
No, but the weather is cold. No, but the weather is cold.
Are there many people around you? Are there many people around you?
Yes, many passengers are waiting. Yes, many passengers are waiting.
Is the driver fixing the bus? Is the driver fixing the bus?
Yes, he is trying to fix it. Yes, he is trying to fix it.
How long will it take? How long will it take?
I do not know yet. I do not know yet.
I am feeling worried. I am feeling worried.
Please do not worry. Please do not worry.
Did you eat dinner? Did you eat dinner?
No, I did not eat yet. No, I did not eat yet.
I made warm soup for you. I made warm soup for you.
That sounds delicious. That sounds delicious.
I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Are you standing beside the bus?
Yeah.
Are you standing beside the bus?
Yes, I am beside the road. Yes, I am beside the road.
Can you see the moon? Can you see the moon?
Yes, the moon looks beautiful tonight. Yes, the moon looks beautiful tonight.
Do you have your jacket? Do you have your jacket?
Yes, I am wearing it now. Yes, I am wearing it now.
I wish I were there with you. I wish I were there with you. Did the driver say anything? Did the driver say anything?
He said we must wait longer. He said we must wait longer.
Oh no, that is bad. Oh no, that is bad.
Suddenly, I see a little boy here. Suddenly, I see a little boy here.
Why is he alone? Why is he alone?
He looks scared and confused. He looks scared and confused.
Is he crying? Is he crying?
Yes, tears are falling from his eyes. Yes, tears are falling from his eyes.
Please help him. Please help him.
I am talking to him now. I am talking to him now.
What is his name? What is his name?
His name is Rafi. His name is Rafi.
Where are his parents? Where are his parents?
He cannot find his mother. He cannot find his mother.
That is very sad. That is very sad. Please stay beside him. Please stay beside him.
I bought water for him. I bought water for him.
Is he still crying? Is he still crying?
No, he is feeling better now. No, he is feeling better now. Wait, I think his mother is here. Wait, I think his mother is here.
Really? Is the boy happy now? Really? Is the boy happy now?
Yes, he is hugging his mother. Yes, he is hugging his mother.
Is the bus ready now? Is the bus ready now?
Yes, the driver fixed the engine. Yes, the driver fixed the engine.
Finally, you can come home. Finally, you can come home.
Yes, the bus is moving again. Yes, the bus is moving again.
I am so happy now. I am so happy now.
I will reach home soon. I will reach home soon.
I will keep the soup warm. I will keep the soup warm.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear.
Please travel safely. Please travel safely.
I am smiling right now. I am smiling right now.
Tonight feels very long. Tonight feels very long.
But soon we will be together again. But soon we will be together again.